Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find backup camera, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.